Well, we've developed a wizard for the Breeze to make creating a website an easy 6-step process. And to start, we've gone to the Breeze website builder.com. And the first thing you do is you sign in. And you're going to give us your name and your email at a minimum. And you're going to do the beloved CAPTCHA to make sure, to prove to us that you're not a machine that's trying to spam us. So next you're going to choose the kind of website, business, organization, or personal. We're just going to say all of the above. And you can filter down to the type of template based on the kind of business you have, but we're going to just say all of the above. And now we're going to select the kind of pages that we want. Now we're going to select the home page, an about page, a contact page, a blog, and a calendar. Now you can see we have a large selection of templates to choose from. You just simply mouse over them to look at them. And we like this one, so we're going to select it. Go down and we're going to hit next. We're going to upload our logo. And in this case, it's the Breeze. And we're going to put in a title and a tagline. And we are the Acme Mousetrap Company. And our tagline is, "We build better mousetraps." Okay. And we're going to upload a background image. Select next. And we like our selections, and so we're going to hit next. We're satisfied. Boom, we're done. We've now created the template. So now we're going to download the template to our computer. And then we're going to go to the Breeze itself. Sign in, and we're going to upload that template to the Breeze. And then the Breeze will run some steps where it processes it. We go down and we click on Site Management and upload the template. We're going to say yes. Okay, we're going to delete all pages because this is a test site. And we're going to browse and upload the template. Hit install, and the Breeze is busy working in the background to create your website. And in a few seconds, when it's done, you will be instructed to scroll to the bottom of the screen and click continue. At that point, then we're going to go have a look at our finished website. So we're done. Scroll to the bottom. We click to continue. And now we're going to go look at our website. We click on Content and preview the published site. And there we are. You see our Breeze logo, our Acme Mousetraps, and that we build better mousetraps. You see our image in the background. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how easy it is to edit your content. And one of the most useful features of a website builder, and most important, is the ability to manage your images. And before we get started showing you how to do that, we want to talk a little bit about the way the Breeze is set up. It's set up with a concept called border areas. You've got a top and bottom and a left and right border area. And then we're going to change that image, which happens to be in the right border area. So to go to that border area, we click on Content, Manage Border Areas. We're going to select the right border area, and there's our image. Now we're going to go click on the image icon, which allows us to manage our images, which we've done. Okay. And what we want to do is we want to change that picture of a dragonfly to a better mousetrap. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload the picture we want right into the website. And the Breeze does that for you, the FTP automatically. So we're going to click on Browse. Okay. And now we're going to go select the better mousetrap. So we're going to browse for that. Pull it off of our computer. There it is. And we're going to click Open. Okay. And then we're going to click Upload. And automatically it is FTPing the file to our server, which we then will take, if we can find it here. There it is. Click on that. Boom, we've got it in the breeze now. Okay, so now a really nice feature we have is we can change the width of it. We're going to change it to a width of 200 pixels automatically. Okay, and it automatically does it to scale. All right, and hit OK. All right. Next, what a real nice feature that we have in the breeze is we can optimize images. Obviously, if you have a huge image, it'll take a long time to load. So we're going to go click on Optimize Images. And the image has now just been automatically resized to the 200 pixels. Now another feature which is really important and nice is that should you have lost the larger image, there is a backup automatically kept. And there's a button called Reset Image. If we click on that, boom, the image is back to its original size. Well, we're going to optimize the image. And all we have to do now is hit Publish, which will publish it to the site. And we're going to click on See Site. And there you can see we've got the Better Mousetrap image into our website. Now, editing content itself is really, really simple. So the way we do that, we want to change the title and maybe change the paragraph. So we're going to go into Edit Content. Okay, and we're going to go to the page itself, which happens to be the home page or the index. We click on Welcome to My Community, and we want to change that to Building a Speedier Mousetrap. It's just like a word processor. And we'd like to change the first paragraph, so you highlight it. And we put in, this is how you build a speedier mousetrap, or whatever your content would be. And when you're done, it's real simple. You go down to the bottom and you click Publish and See Site to see what it looks like, to make sure it looks like the way you want it to. Boom. There you go. You're done. Now, after you've built a custom website, you need to manage it. And one of the most common things that you're going to run into is you want to add a new page. So we're going to show you how to add a new page, install a plugin to that page. In this case, we're going to add a plugin which allows an MP3 file to play. So first we click on Content, Create Page. We're going to call this page My Hero. Now, an important thing to note with the Breeze, which is very powerful, is this idea of the border areas, where you have a left, right, top, or bottom border area. Now, as you recall, when we created the page, we created a right border area with a picture of the Better Mousetrap. Now, in this case, on this page, we don't want to show that. So when we create the page, we're going to add border areas, left, top, and bottom, but ignore the right. Okay? Now, we're going to go and we're going to select the plugin. As you can see, there's a lot of plugins that are available. We're going to choose a plugin which is an MP3 player, and then we're going to say Create the Page. Now, on this page, you'll see there's instructions on how to use this plugin. So, next important thing is the difference between WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get mode, and code view. Now in the code view, you can actually go in and edit the code. Now you'll see where he's clicked. And we have to actually go in, which the instructions say, and change the name of the file that this player is pointing to. And so it's called Mighty Mouse Soundbite. We put that in. And now we go back and we publish the page. And we're going to go back now and we're going to add some niceties. We're going to add an image. of Mighty Mouse. So we click our image, we browse, Mighty. We've got a picture now of Mighty Mouse saving Nell, I think is her name. Okay, we optimize the image. And we're going to change the title, which is quite as easy. We have the feature with headers. So we're going to change it to My Hero. He's going to select that and then go change it to a headline. And now we publish the page. Oh, before we do that, we're going to delete the extra information, publish the page, and then go see the site. And listen to the end.
Here I come to save the day. That means that Mighty Mouse is on the way.
It's a breeze, folks. Well, now that we've created a page, the most obvious thing to do is that we want to add it to the menu items. In the past, developing a menu required coding skills and was really kind of hard. With the breeze, it's a snap. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the menu items. And before we continue, I'm going to show you that we have detailed items here for CSS menus and JavaScript, okay, where you can really have a lot of power and control over your menus. But in this case, it's a very simple change. We just want to add a menu. So we click on Edit Menus. And in here, you'll see that there are actually two menu selections, and that's because we have one menu on the left border and one menu on the bottom border. We're going to edit the menu on the left border. So we're going to click plus. We're going to type in My Hero, which is what we want the public to see. And now you click on the URL, which is automatically there after we've created the page. So you can click My Hero, and it automatically writes the code in terms of the page. And we're going to move it up to below About by clicking these arrows sequentially. You'll see it moves up. Now that it's underneath About, we're going to choose this button, and we're going to click it, and that's going to move it to a sublevel. Okay? Click Update All. We're done. Now we're going to go do the same thing for the second menu. We add it. We type in what the public wants to see. We choose the My Hero. It writes it. Where in this case, we're going to move it up between calendar and blog. Update all. Oops. We're going to move it down. So we got to move it down below calendar because we're human. And hit Update All. Now we're going to go look at the site. So you hit Content and preview the published site, and there you go. About, there's My Hero, click on it, and there we are to save the day.
Here I come to save the day.